If you are looking to turn off notifications on your Curve 2026, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Follow these simple instructions to manage your notification settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the main menu on your Curve 2026 and navigate to the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Select Notifications. Within the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Tap on it to access your notification preferences. Step 3. Choose Notification Types. In the Notifications section, you will see a list of different types of notifications. Review the options available and decide which notifications you want to turn off. Step 4. Toggle Notifications Off. For each type of notification you wish to disable, simply toggle the switch to the off position. This will stop notifications from appearing for those selected types. Step 5. Save Changes. After adjusting your notification settings, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the Settings menu to return to your home screen. By following these steps, you can successfully manage and turn off notifications on your Curve 2026. Enjoy a quieter experience without unwanted alerts.